Good day everyone, this is Teacher Kimberly and you're watching Gusto Tika Matabang.
In calculating distances that are difficult to measure, trigonometric ratios are often helpful. Let's say we have a flagpole. If a person is standing some distance away from the pole and is looking straight at it, the line that is drawn from the eye of the person to the distant point from where she is looking is what we call the horizontal line of sight. And if the person is looking at the top of the flagpole, the line of sight forms an angle above the horizontal line, and we call this angle the angle of elevation. And if the person is looking at the base of the flagpole, we call this angle the angle of depression. Suppose that the angle of elevation of a girl to a top of a flagpole is 32 degrees. The boy, who is 2 meters from the girl, his angle of elevation is 23 degrees. Find the distance between the boy and the flagpole. To solve for it, we're going to find first the distance between the girl and the flagpole. With this, let x be the distance between the girl and the flagpole, x plus 2 be the distance between the boy and the flagpole, and y as the height of the flagpole. And for this problem, it is easier for us to use a trigonometric ratio tangent. For tangent 32 degrees, that is equal to y over x. Using cross multiplication, we have y is equal to x tangent of 32 degrees. For tangent 23 degrees, that is equal to y over x plus 2. Using cross multiplication, we have y is equal to tangent of 23 degrees times the quantity of x plus 2. Now we're going to use the distributive property of multiplication. Then we have this following equation. Now we're going to replace y in this equation with x tangent of 32 degrees. Then we have this following equation. Now we're going to use the addition property of equality, wherein we're going to add both sides of the equation with negative x tangent of 23 degrees. Then we have this following equation. And since they have a common factor x, we can rewrite the equation like this. And to isolate x, divide both sides of the equation with the quantity of tangent 32 degrees minus tangent of 23 degrees for us to arrive this new equation. And by using the scientific calculator, we obtain 4.236, and that is the distance between the girl and the flagpole. And since we're looking for the distance between the boy and the flagpole, we're going to use the expression x plus 2, where x is equal to 4.236. Then we have 4.236 plus 2 is equal to 6.236, and that is our final answer. To conclude, the distance between the boy and the flagpole is 6.236 meters.